I am Ashwini Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. In this session, we are going to discuss about the complements, especially ones complement and twos complement. And after that, we will be discussing about the subtraction of two binary numbers using ones complement and twos complement. It is important to note that ones complement and twos complements are used only for subtraction of binary numbers. So let us start with the ones complement. There are two types of complements in binary system. One is ones complement and other is the twos complement. So let us start with the ones complement. Ones complement. Ones complement of a binary number can be calculated by converting 1 into 0 and 0 into 1. In this way we can convert any binary number into its complement. So let us solve one question. Find the ones complement of 10110. This is binary number 10110. So here 10110. So this one is converted to 0 and this 0 is converted to 1. 1 is converted to 0. Again this one is converted to 0 and this 0 is converted into 1. So finally we have got the ones complement of this number as 0, 1, 0, 0 and 1. Let us solve another question of ones complement. We have to find ones complement of 101.1101. So here 101.110 and 1. Here we have converted 1 into 0. This 0 equal to 1 and this 1 into 0. This one again to 0. This one is 0. This 0 is to 1 and 1 is converted into 0. So we have got the ones complement of this binary number as 0, 1, 0, 0.001 and 0. Now let us understand the binary addition. Here 0 plus 0 will give 0, 0 plus 1 will give 1, 1 plus 0 will give 1 and if we take 1 plus 1 it is going to give us 1 0. It means it is the 2. It is the binary equivalent of 2. So when 1 plus 1 is added, 1 plus 1 is added, so it will be the sum will be 0 and there will be a carry 1. Now let us understand the twos complement. How to find the twos complement of a binary number. So there are some steps. So first step is that we have to find the ones complement of the given number. So first find the complement of the ones complement of the binary number. Then add 1 to this ones complement of the given binary number. That is, we have found a formula to find the twos complement of any binary number as twos complement will be equal to ones complement then plus 1. Here we have to find the twos complement of the given binary number. So to find the binary number, first we have to find the ones complement of the binary number. So we have got ones complement as 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 0. We have found here the ones complement. Now to find the twos complement, we have to add 1 into this ones complement number. So we have added 1 to the ones complement of the number. So let us add. So 0 plus 1, this is going to give us 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So we have found the twos complement of this binary number as 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1. Here we have seen that first we have found the ones complement and then we have added 1 to get the final result as twos complement of the binary number. Let us take one more question. Here we have to find the twos complement of 110,100. So first we have to find the ones complement of this number. So number is written here 110,100. Here we have found the ones complement of the number. So 1 is converted to 0 and 0 is converted to 1. So we have got the ones complement as 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 1. Now we have to add 1 to this ones complement of binary number. So after addition we have got 1 plus 1 will give 0, and then we will get a carry 1. So again 1 plus 1 is going to give the result as 0 and carry as 1. And 1 plus 0 will give 1, and again 1 plus 0 it is going to be 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is again 0. So we have got the result as 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 0. This is the 2's complement of this binary number. So now we have understood how to find the 1's complement and 2's complement of a given number. For 1's complement we have to interchain 1 into 0 and 0 into 1. And for 2's complement the first step will be to find the 1's complement of the binary number, and then we have to add 1. Now we will study the subtraction of binary numbers. There are two methods to subtract the binary numbers as 1's complement. We can use 1's complement method or 2's complement method. So let us start with the subtraction of binary number using 1's complement. First, let us understand what is minuend and what is subtrahend. Here I have written as a minus b. The first digit a will be called as minuend, and the second digit b is called as subtrahend. Such as 10 minus 5, which is going to result as a 5. So this 10 will be called as minuend, and this will be the subtrahend. Here I have taken one binary number such as 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1. So the rightmost digit is called as LSB, that is least significant bit, and the leftmost bit is called as most significant bit. Now subtraction of binary numbers using 1's complement. There are some certain methods to subtract binary numbers using 1's complement. So first step is that equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. If they are not equal, then we have to equate the numbers appending the 0. The second, we have to find the 1's complement of the subtrahend and then add minuend with 1's complement of the subtrahend. And if after addition MSB produces carry, then add this carry to LSB of the produced sum. Let us understand these steps with the help of an example. Here we have to subtract two numbers, 10 minus 2. Both numbers are given in decimal system. Here we see that both numbers are given in decimal system. And as I had already told you that 1's complement method and 2's complement methods are used only for the binary numbers. It means we have to convert these decimal numbers into its equivalent binary number. We know already that how to convert the decimal number into binary numbers. Here using the method weighted sum method is 1, 2, 4, 8, and this is given as 8. This will be 8 and this will be 2. Only 8 and 2 are 1, rest are 0. So 8 plus 2 will be 10. So now we have got the binary equivalent of 10 as 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we have to find the binary equivalent of 2. We know that 1, 2, 4, 8, only 2 is required. So the rest bits are 0. So we have got binary equivalent of 2 as 0, 0, 1 and 0. Now we can put binary equivalent of 10 and 2 as, so we have to perform this subtraction, that is 1, 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 1, 0. Here 1, 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 and 0. We know that this will be called as the minuend. This is the minuend and this is the subtrahend. And now we know that the first step will be equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. Here we notice that equal bits are there. Here we notice that both the bits minuend and subtrahend are equal. So there is no need to equate them. Now come to the second step. And second step is that we have to find 1's complement of the subtrahend. 1's complement of the subtrahend. Subtrahend is 0, 0, 1, 0. Now we have to find the 1's complement of this subtrahend. So here is the subtrahend, that is 0, 0, 1, 0. And its 1's complement will be the 0 is converted to 1. This 0 is 1, 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So we have got the 1's complement of the subtrahend as 1, 1, 0 and 1. Now the next step will be add minuend with 1's complement of subtrahend, because now we have found the 1's complement of subtrahend. So now we have to add this 1's complement to the minuend. So here Minuend is 1010. It is given as 1010. Now we have to add one's complement of, that is this number should be added here. So one's complement is given as 1101. Now we have to add these two numbers. Here we see that 0 plus 1 will be equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And 0 plus 1 will be equal to 1. And 1 plus 1, sum will be 0 and there will be a carry 1. Now we know the fourth step, that after addition MSB produces a carry, then we have to add this carry again to the LSB of the produced sum. Here we see that the MSB has produced a carry. MSB means these two digits have produced a carry 1. So this one has to be added again into the produced sum. That is, this is the produced sum, and now we have to add this carry again into the produced sum. Here we see that after adding we will get 1 plus 1 is going to produce 0 and the carry will be equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is going to produce 0 and we are having carry 1. Now 1 plus 1, these two 1 will be added. We will again get 0, again carry will be 1, and 1 plus 1 again going to 0 and a carry will be 1, and this 1 plus 0 is going to be 1. So now we have got the result as 1, 0, 0 and 0. Here we notice that 10 minus 2 we should give the result as 8. So we can check here whether this result is 8, this is equivalent to 8 or not. So let us check it out. 1, 2, 4, 8. It is very clear that the produced sum is equal to 8. It means this is the correct answer. So we have got the result as 1010 minus 0010 is equal to 1000. Now let us take one more question of subtraction of binary numbers using one's complement. Here we have taken numbers directly into binary. The base is binary. It is wrongly written 10 over here. So base will be binary here. Two numbers are 11011 minus 10 and 10. So minuend is 11011. Subtrahend is 1010. Now we are subtracting these two numbers. So let us explore what is the first step. We have to equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. And we see that we have to equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend if they are not equal. Here you notice that these two digits are different. So now we have to equate them. It means we have to append 0 wherever the bit is missing. So now both bits are equal. Now come to the next step. We have to find one's complement of the subtrahend. First find the one's complement of the subtrahend. And this is the subtrahend. We are going to find the one's complement of this subtrahend. So the subtrahend is written over here. And we know the one's complement will be the just 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1. Here 0 is converted to 1, 1 to 0. So we have got the one's complement as 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1. Now the next step will be, we have to add minuend with one's complement of the subtrahend. We have found the one's complement of subtrahend. Now we have to add this into the minuend. So here minuend is given as 11011. Now we have to add one's complement that we have found here into the minuends. Let us see what result we are going to get. So here if we add these two numbers we will get, so let us start adding. 1 plus 1 is going to give us 0 with a carry 1. And after that this 1 plus 1 is going to give us 0 again and carry 1. This 1 and this 1 is again added, we'll get 0, again a carry. This 1 plus this 1 is going to produce 0 again and we get a carry. Here we have to add these three bits, means if when we add 1 plus 1 we will get 0 and with a carry 1. Now this 0 and plus 1 will produce as 1 and we have found carry as 1. So we have got carry as 1. Now the next step will be that if after addition MSB produces a carry, then add this carry to LSB of the produced sum. It means we have to add this carry again into the produced sum. This is the produced sum. So again we have to add this carry. So here we are going to add this carry into the produced sum and then we will get 0 plus 1 as 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1. Here we notice that we can check whether our result is right or wrong. Here we see that 114, 11011. What is the decimal equivalent of this number? Here we see 16 will be weight of this number is 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. 16 plus 8 24 plus 3, that is 27. We have got 27. So this number is 27. And what about this number? 8 plus 2 10. With 27 minus 10, it is going to produce 17. It means we know the answer should be the 17. Let us check whether this number is 17 or not. Here we see that putting this number, weighted sum number, we have got this will be the 16 and this will be the 1. So the output is given as 17. So this is the correct answer. So in this way we can check whether our answer is right or wrong. Let us take one more example. Subtraction of two binary number using 1's complement. Here we have taken two numbers, 42 minus 32 in decimal number. Here, because we know that using 1's complement and 2's complement method, we can subtract only the binary numbers. But here numbers are given in decimal number system. So we have to convert this decimal number system into the binary number system. We know how to convert. So let us convert 42 and 32 into equivalent binary number. So using weighted sum method 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, we see that 32 is given as 1, 0, 0 and 42 will be given as 32. It should be 8. Here it should be 1. It is not written correctly. 32 plus 8. So here will be 1. So 32 plus 8, 40, and here should also be 1. So 32 plus 8 and plus 2. It will be 42. So here we got as 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0. So this is the binary equivalent of 42 and this will be the of 32. Here we see only this bit is 1, so we have got 32. So here we have written 42 minus 32, that is we have got number minuend as 10 10 10 and we have to subtract number 10 0 0 0. So minuend is this and subtrahend is this. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So here we see that we have to follow these steps, equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. But here see both numbers are equal, so there is no need for the first step. What is the second step? We have to find the 1's complement of the subtrahend. We have to find the 1's complement of the subtrahend. So here we are going to find the 1's complement of the subtrahend. Subtrahend is written as 1 0 0 0 0 and 1's complement will be this number 0 1 1 1 and 1. We know how to find the 1's complement of any binary number now. So what will be the next step? Next step will be that we have to add minuend with this 1's complement of the subtrahend. So here minuend is written as 10 10 and 10 and we have found the 1's complement as 0 1 1 1 1 and 1. So now we have to add these two numbers, minuend and 1's complement. So after addition we are going to get as 0 plus 1 is going to produce 1, 1 plus 1. When these two bits will be added, we will get result as 0 with carry 1. Now these 1 plus these 1 is going to give us again 0 with carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 going to produce some 0 with carry 1. So carry is 1, but 0 plus 1 is again 1. Now 1 plus 1 is going to give 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum is 0 and carry is equal to 1. So and the last step will be, if after addition MSB produces a carry, then we have to add this carry to LSB of the produced sum. Here we know that this is the produced sum, this is the produced sum and this is the carry, so we have to again add this carry to the produced sum. So after addition we have got 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1 will be equal to 0, carry will be 1. So 1 plus 0 1, then again 0 1 0 0. So we have got the result at 0 0 1 0 and 1 0. Now we can check that we know that 42 minus 32 is going to produce 10. So whatever result we have found, it should be equal to 10. Let us check whether it is 10 or not. 1 2 4 8. This will be 8 and this will be 2. Equivalent of this will be 8 and this will be 2. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So this is the correct result. So we have arrived at the result as 10 10 10 minus 10 0 0 0 is equal to 1010. Let us take one more question. Question is that 32 minus 17. Two numbers are given and these numbers are given in decimal numbers, so we have to convert it into the binary equivalent. So we are going to use sum of weighted method. Here we see that this is the equivalent of 32 and this will be the equivalent of 17. Here we see that 16. This will be the 16 plus 1, that is 17, and this is 32. So we have got 32 minus 17. So we have converted the decimal number into equivalent binary number. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So this will be the minuend and this is the subtrahend. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So here we see that we have to, first step is that we have to equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. Here we see that minuend and subtrahend is missing one bit, so 0 is appended. Now both bits are equal. Now come to the next step, we have to find the ones complement of the subtrahend. So subtrahend is written as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1, and ones complement is given as 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now the next step will be we have to add minuend with ones complement of the subtrahend we have just found. So here minuend is given as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and we have found this ones complement. Now we have to add this number, this ones complement to the minuend. So we have got result as 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is going to produce as 0 and 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1 is going to produce 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0, 0 and 1 plus 1. MSB's sum is 0 and carry is 1. Again we have found this carry as 1. So next step will be that after addition, if MSB produces a carry, then we have to add this carry to the LSB of the produced sum. So here we have to add this carry. This is to the produced sum. This is the produced sum. So the carry is again added. What is happened? 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Now we have to add these two numbers. So 0 plus 1 is going to produce 1 and then 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 0. So we have arrived the result as 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Here we should see that 32 minus 17 should give as 15. So we can check whether the found result is equal to 15 or not. So here we see that using sum of weighted method 1, 2, 4, 8, all 4 digits are placed in the position 8, 4, 2, 1. So the equivalent of this binary number in decimal will be equal to 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 15. So this is the correct answer. Now we have to subtract two binary numbers using 2's complement method. So let us understand what are the steps to subtract binary numbers using 2's complement. The first step will be the same, that is we have to equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. Then the second thing, find 2's complement of the subtrahend. In case of 1's complement, we have found here 1's complement because now you are going to use 2's complement. So we have to find 2's complement and subtrahend. Then the step will remain same, that add minuend with 2's complement of the subtrahend. For the last step, if after addition MSB produces a carry, then we have to discard it. In 1's complement method, we have added this carry to the produced sum, but in case of 2's complement, we have to discard it. Let us understand these steps with the help of some examples. In these examples, we have to subtract number 10 minus 2. Both numbers are given in decimal number. So we have to convert these decimal number into the equivalent binary number. So using the sum of weighted method, number into the binary number, that is what will be the binary equivalent of 10. So here we see that 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So the binary equivalent of decimal 10 will be equal to 1010. And likewise binary equivalent of number 2 will be equal to 0010. Now we have to subtract these two numbers such as 1010 minus 001 and 0. So minuend is given as 1010 and subtrahend is given as 0010. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So here we notice that what are the steps. So first step is that equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. But here both numbers are equal, so this step is not needed. The second step is that we have to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. It means we have to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend 0010. The subtrahend is written here as 0010, and we know that how to find the 2's complement. To find the 2's complement, we have to find first 1's complement. So here we have found the 1's complement as 1101, and then we have to add 1 to this 1's complement number. So 1's complement is given as 1101. Then we have to add 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1. After addition, we have got the result as 1 plus 1 is going to give us 0. carry will be 1. So 1 plus 0 is going to produce 1. Again 1 plus 0 is going to produce 1, and 1 plus 0 is going to produce 1. So we have got the 2's complement as 1 1 1 0. For to the next step, we have to add minuend with 2's complement of subtrahend. Here we have found the minuend as 1 0 1 0 and 2's complement as 1 1 1 0. Now we have to add these two numbers. So after addition, we are going to get numbers as 0 plus 0, we are getting 0, 1 plus 1 is 0 with the carry 1, and again 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0, and 0 plus 1 will be 1, and this 1 plus 1 has already produced a carry as 1. So we have got a carry 1. But in this case, will this carry will be added to the produced sum? If after addition MSB produces carry, then do we have to discard this carry? It means we have to discard this carry. So this carry is discarded and we have got the result as 1 0 0 and 0. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, and this produced result is also equal to 8. 1 0 0 0 is the binary equivalent of 8. So this is the correct answer. Now let us take one more question. Their question is given as 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 1 0. So this is the minuend, this is the subtrahend, and let us follow the steps. First step will be that we have to equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. So now digits are equated. The next step will be that we have to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Subtrahend is written as 0 1 0 1 0. 1's complement is inverting the 0 into 1, 1 into 0. We have found 1's complement as 1 0 1 0 1, and then to find the 2's complement, we have to add 1 to the 1's complement. So 1's complement, we are going to add 1. So after addition, we have got the result as 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 0 will be equal to 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 1 plus 0 1. So we have got the 2's complement of the subtrahend as 1 0 1 1 0. Then what is the next step? That we have to add minuend with 2's complement of subtrahend. So this is the minuend and this is the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Now we have to add these two numbers. So 1 plus 0 producing 1, 1 plus 0 producing sum as 0 and carry 1, 1 plus 1 again 0 with a carry 1, 1 plus 1 producing 0 with a carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 0 and 0 plus 1 is going to give 1, and 1 plus 1 had already produced a carry as 1. So again we have got a carry as 1, but now this carry, after addition MSB produces a carry, then we have to discard this carry. So now this 1 will be discarded. So we are going to find the final result as 1 0 0 0 1. This is the final answer, and we can check it. What is the decimal equivalent of this number? 16 plus 8 24 plus 2 26 plus 1. This is the 27 number. This is 27, and this number is, we have got this number as 27, and this number is 8 plus 2, that is 10. So 27 minus 10 is going to give us 17 number. So we can check whether this result is 17 or not. 16 plus 1, that is 17. So we have got the result. Now let us take one more question. Subtraction of two binary numbers using 1's complement. 42 minus 32. These numbers are given as decimal format, so we have to convert into equivalent binary number. 32 plus 8, here we see that 32 plus 8 40 and plus 2 42, and for 32 this will be the 1 0 0 0. This is going to give us the 32 equivalent. So we have got the minuend and subtrahend. So minuend is written here, subtrahend is written here, and now we can subtract these two binary numbers. So first here we have to look at the steps. The first step is that we have to equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend, but here first step is not needed. Come to the second step, we have to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. So first we have to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Subtrahend is written here 1 0 0 0. 1's complement is again 0 1 1 1 1, and to find the 2's complement, we know that we have to add 1 to the 1's complement. So this is the 1's complement and 1 is added. So after addition, what we have got will be the 2's complement. Here we see that this 1 plus 1 producing 0, carry will be 1. Then 1 plus 1 again producing 0 plus 0 0, but carry 1. 1 plus 1 result is 0, and 0 plus 0 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 plus 0 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 is going to produce 0 with a carry 1. So it is written here 1 plus 1, 0 and 1. And what is the next step? We have to add monument with 2's complement of the subtrahend. So this is the monument and this is the 2's complement we have found. Now we are going to add this number to find. So here we are going to add these two numbers. So let us check what we are going to get after addition. 0 plus 0 will be 0, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 1 plus 1 0 and with a carry 1. Now we know that we have to discard this carry. After addition MSB produced, this carry should be discarded. So here this carry is discarded. So we are going to get the result as 1010. 42 minus 32 should give 10. So let us check whether this digit is 10 or not. It is certainly 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So we have got the correct result. Let us solve one more question. Question is 32 minus 17. These two numbers are in decimal numbers, so we have to find the binary equivalent of these numbers. So the binary equivalent of 32 will be equal to 1, 0, 0, 0 and 0. This will be the binary equivalent of 32. And to 17 number, 16 plus 1. The binary equivalent of 17 will be equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So here we have got the minuend and subtrahend 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1. Now the first step will be to equate the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend. So here we have equated the two numbers. Now 0 has put at the basic position. Now we have got two numbers. Now what is the next step to find? We have to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. 2's complement of the subtrahend. We have to find the first 1's complement. Here we have found the 1's complement. Now we have to add 1 to this 1's complement. We have added this 1 to 1's complement. So we have got the 2's complement of the subtrahend. 0 plus 1 produces 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0 again 1, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 and 1 plus 0, 1. So we have got the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Now the next step will be that we have to add minuend with 2's complement of the subtrahend. So minuend is given as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and this is the 2's complement. Now we have to add these two numbers. So we have got here 0 plus 1 as 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0 and 1 plus 1, 0 and with a carry 1. And we know that this carry has to be discarded. So we have found the result as 1, 1, 1 and 1. 32 minus 17 is going to give us 15. So we can check whether this result is equal to 15 or not. So 1, 4, 2, 8, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 15. It means we have found at the correct result.